Watch that step down there. It's a weak one.
The one I'm going to step on right now? Yeah. There's wood under it.
Good job, guys. This is one hell of a school. I'm videotaping on this camera, and this camera seems to be putting out good video right now, too. So, we'll go ahead with the high-definition video for now on this. As we go back downstairs, this is Lord Rick. We're with Tammy and Catherine, and of course you got me. Can't see me. But anyways, maybe you could. Very steep stairwell, lots of pigeon shit, and lots of graffiti. Lots of fun, including missing wood beams under the steps. You could go.
You put on video that
go
you're not going to film me squeezing my fat ass through that hole.
Hey.
So
I'm fat too. I just suck it in, and I hide it well.
You're going through a hole. Everybody else can see it too.
It's a dark video. I'm not on night vision, so nobody will see nothing.
He's lying, and I know.
Hey, at least you're doing it. I give you credit. You're doing it. Look at that. The things you do for the Paranormal Ghost Society. See, folks? It's not a job. It's an adventure. It's an adventure. You know, today was Lucille Ball's 100th birthday. But she died, but it would have been her 100th birthday. And I was watching on Google Comedy. I was watching this comedy because I thought to myself, you know, that was some classic comedy. And this is some classic comedy tonight. It's comedy at its best. I could post this as an Angel then at radio video instead. Alright, we'll look around some downstairs one last time before we go, just to verify if it's really haunted or it's just a historic site, you know, that's abandoned. We have flagpoles. There actually is no basement in here. It's just a small cellar that we already went into first, and we did some filming. And now we're back on the first floor of the school here, and I'm just walking through a real quick walkthrough. This is what the basement is, minus the cellar, which is about 15 by 15 feet. These classrooms downstairs had some carpeting, but they also had, like for example, upstairs had different light fixtures, and downstairs. This place is old. I will say that. There was some rat or animal scratching at the entrance. Miller High Life. Yeah. Careful not to walk on the sharp glass. We have an old oven. A lot of glass, a lot of chairs torn down. Chalkboards. Old light fixtures. We haven't had a lot of ghost activity tonight, but then again, our night vision camera hasn't been putting out very good quality, so I went with this. And our EMF detector has a loose wire, and the loose wire is causing it not to go off, and if it goes off, it's not accurate. So these are the things you face as a paranormal investigator, and it's okay because we get to see such a cool place. Is this going off at all or no? Okay. Well, if it does, it'll light up on camera. But anyways, we're about to wrap up the school. I'm going to take a few more photos because this is probably the only time I'm going in this place. It's very dusty. You know, there's a lot of pigeon shit. This was the nurse's office. I didn't see a cafeteria, so they must have ate their lunches right inside. You know, washed their hands in the sink. It was a very tight-knit school. A lot of classrooms, you know, and they probably used them all, so they probably had at least 100 kids going here. 10 classrooms maybe, and there's about 5 in the bottom floor, 5 upstairs, very large classrooms. They probably had a couple hundred kids with the Pyramid Lake Reservation being nearby. this was probably a very well-used school by the Native American people. Lord Rick bless you. You're welcome. And Catherine sneezed. This place will do that. But Lord Rick bless you. And we are blessed to investigate such a wonderful place. And old doors. There was something strange that happened upstairs. I grabbed a Dr. Pepper can. It was ice cold, like somebody just opened it. Very cold, abnormally cold compared to the temperature. This room you were just in, this was where the nurse's office was. This is the coldest room in the school. I don't have an answer. The windows are boarded. This is the bathroom. The toilet's been gutted out. Looks like they were going to either renovate it or... These are some animal tracks. Oh yeah, see, there's all kinds of surprises in this school. Whoa. PU, I ain't going in there. Anyways, check us out. www.paranormalghostsociety.org. Okay, we're done with this place. I'm going to take a few photos and we are out of here. I don't think this is a haunted place, so it'll make a good urban exploration on our website. And hopefully, we can preserve the historic value of this place through our pictures and video and a little bit of comedy tonight. I didn't go up in the bell tower. I actually found it in the attic. The ladder was unstable. I did not go up in it. But it was a great place to explore. And we'll definitely, I hope our fans can enjoy it and learn a little something from all this. I want to say peace.